Vibrant and colorful gardens often comes with combination of flowering perennials and ornamental plants. Leafy ornamental perennials provide texture and vibrant colors all season long, often with less maintenance than flowering plants. In this video I am going to share 14 leafy perennials that adds amazing texture and ornamental value to the home gardens. Euphorbia, Ascot Rainbow. A variegated evergreen perennial, prized for its multicolored foliage and seasonal interest. Foliage glows with a tricolor effect, blue-green center with yellow margins, and reddish tints in cool weather. It maintains its foliage through winter in many climates, taking on more intense pinkish-red tones in cold weather. Its compact size and tidy habit make it ideal for borders and mixed beds, and even for containers. Euphorbia Miner's Merlet. It is a striking and unique variety of euphorbia, prized for its deep burgundy to near-black foliage, that adds dramatic contrast to garden beds and containers. It adds dramatic contrast to mixed plantings, and plays especially well with silvers and lemon backgrounds. Once established, it's very drought-tolerant. A great choice for low-water gardens and rock gardens. There are few Artemisia plant varieties that adds a wonderful texture and color to the garden. First one is Artemisia Pois Castle. This one grows like small shrub. Artemisia Pois Castle is a fast-growing perennial, known for its soft silver foliage and mounded airy shape. It's more like a woody subshrub, and thrives in hot and dry conditions. Amazing perennial for adding texture and contrast to the garden for green backgrounds. It grows around 2 feet tall and wide. The second Artemisia variety is Artemisia Silvermound. Unlike Pois Castle, it is low-growing perennial, known for its soft, silvery foliage and perfectly mounded shape. It's smaller and more compact than Pois Castle, and it is especially valued for its neat tidy habit. A wonderful ground-covering perennial for sunny spots of bordering areas, or as a filler plant. Penstemon Dakota Burgundy. If you are looking perennial plant with wonderful flowers with amazing foliage, try Penstemon Dakota Burgundy, also known as beard tongue. It is a standout perennial that brings together deep rich foliage and soft tubular blooms. And a perfect for pollinator gardens, and dramatic foliage contrast. It's one of the few penstemons that offers ornamental interest even with its burgundy purple leaves. It produces tubular flowers from spring into summer season, in the shades of lavender pink to soft lilac color. Silver Anuque Lavender, also known as silver Spanish lavender. It is grown for its unusual two-tone flowers, that are framed by its silvery foliage, making it a garden standout. It is a hardy, low-maintenance evergreen perennial. It is known for its dark violet flower spikes, topped with clear purple flags. This variety is perfect for containers, landscapes, or cut flower arrangements. It thrives in full sun, and is highly resistant to foliar diseases, making it ideal for any garden. Coral bells, also known as heucheras, are valued for their attractive foliage and colorful flowers, making them a popular choice for garden beds and container gardens. Newer varieties of coral bells comes in a wide range of shades, including dark purple, bronze and variegated combinations. The leaves are often lobed, adding texture and interest to the garden. Coral bells produce tall slender stems, topped with airy clusters of small bell-shaped flowers. It is an amazing perennial for partly shaded areas, and container planting. Dusty Miller. It is a popular ornamental plant, known for its striking silvery white foliage. Dusty Miller is primarily grown for its soft, silver gray to white finely lobed leaves that have a velvety texture. Check these different varieties of Dusty Miller plants, for a different leaf texture and softness. The foliage of these plants creates a striking visual contrast in garden designs, and adds a cool silvery tone to the landscape. I hope you feel the content of this video is informative. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. Platinum Blonde Lavender. A stunning twist on classic English lavender, known for its variegated foliage, a soft green edged in creamy yellow, that looks gorgeous even before the flowers bloom. This variegated leaf color offers season-long interest, and brightens up borders and beds beautifully. Naturally mounding and compact habit of this lavender makes this plant a great for small space gardens, or front of border of front yard of garden beds. Pulmonaria spot on from proven winners. A versatile perfect ground cover with unique look, that thrives in shaded areas, where it can create a lush green carpet with seasonal color. Plant along shaded garden borders or under the trees, to add texture and early spring color. Pulmonaria produces clusters of small, tubular flowers, that change color as they age, often starting as pink and turning blue or violet. The foliage is its standout feature, with leaves often spotted with silverish color. Enjoy its unique foliage and early spring blooms, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of shaded areas. Astilbe dark side of the moon. This variety is a showstopper among shade perennials. Unlike most astilbes, this one features dramatic, deep chocolate purple foliage, making it just as stunning before it blooms. It produces contrasting rosy purple flowers, adding a wonderful visual display to shade areas of the landscaping. Japanese painted fern. Often just called painter's fern. It is a gorgeous low-maintenance shade perennial, known for its silvery, purple, and green foliage. Silvery fronds with burgundy and green tones make this fern a living piece of art. There are different kinds of ferns, but this variety stands out best for shaded or woodland gardens. Not palatable to most garden pests, which is a huge bonus in critter-prone shade areas of the gardens. Caladiums are wonderful tropical plants. They are prized for their stunning, heart-shaped foliage, which comes in a wide range of vibrant colors and patterns. Caladiums are commonly grown for their decorative leaves rather than flowers, making them perfect for adding a bold splash of colors to shady gardens and containers. Most caladium varieties prefer partial to full shade. Caladiums are tender perennials in warmer areas, like USDA zones 9 to 11, but in colder climates, they are grown as annuals. Variegated cordyline tea plant, scientifically called as Cordyline fruticose. A wonderful tropical showstopper, known for its bold, colorful foliage. The variegated pattern shows stripes or splashes of pink, shades of cream, green, and burgundy. It instantly brings a lush, exotic vibe to gardens or containers. It grows around 2 to 3 feet taller, a perfect thriller plant for containers. Colocasia, black magic. It is a striking variety of elephant ear plant, known for its large dramatic, deep purple to nearly black leaves. The main attraction of Colocasia black magic is its large, heart-shaped leaves, which are a deep, velvety purple-black color. These leaves can grow over a feet long, giving the plant an impressive and bold appearance. It is a popular variety of elephant's ears family for their rapid growth. They create a dramatic impact to any landscape. I hope you feel the content of this video is informative. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel encouragement.